Hello everyone, welcome to Visit Alice live video. Today I'd like to share with you our ABS plastic AM system. Now follow me to see our product. Now we use the DR label to test it. The detection range of the DR label can range to 1.88 meters. This AM system is different from the other AM systems because there is a people account on the antenna. That means when we walk through the antenna, the number of these can change. If you need more information on other EAS products, please contact us. See you next time.